Why spend $10 on lunch when you can prep a week's worth for the same price? These 10 meal prep combos are all under $2 per serving, and I'll show you exactly how to make them without sacrificing taste. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss more budget-friendly meal ideas. Number 1. Garlic chicken plus veggie rice. Tender garlic seasoned chicken breast served with fluffy rice and colorful veggies. Simple, filling, and balanced, all for just $1.50 per serving. Number 2. Tuna pasta salad. Cold pasta tossed with tuna, crisp cucumber, juicy tomato, and creamy mayo. Light, fresh, and ready in minutes for under $2. Number 3. Egg fried rice with cabbage. Fluffy rice stir-fried with eggs, crunchy cabbage, and soy seasoning. A quick, hearty meal for only $1 per serving. Number 4. Veggie stir-fry noodles. Soft egg noodles coated in a savory garlic soy sauce, tossed with sweet bell peppers, carrots, and optional tofu for protein, all for $1.65. Number 5. Sardine rice bowl. Steamed rice topped with saucy, flavorful sardines and sautéed greens. Comfort food that's cheap, nutritious, and only $1.50. Number 6. Chili bean wrap. Warm tortilla filled with spiced chili beans, crisp lettuce, and melty cheese. A satisfying wrap for just $1.80 per serving. Number 7. Peanut butter oatmeal. Creamy oats swirled with peanut butter, topped with sweet banana slices, and finished with milk. Breakfast for less than $1. Number 8. Vegetable lentil soup. Earthy lentils simmered with fresh vegetables in a tomato base. Filling, healthy, and only $1.05 a bowl. Number 9. Chicken adobo with rice. Juicy chicken thighs braised in soy sauce, vinegar, and garlic, served over steamed rice. A Filipino classic for $1.05. Number 10. Eggplant omelet or tortong talong. Smoky grilled eggplant dipped in egg batter, pan-fried until golden, and served with rice. Comforting and only $1.10 per serving. Meal prep doesn't have to be boring or expensive. With these combos, you're eating better for less. Which one will you try first? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.